Have you ever wondered what it takes to reach the pinnacle of success? Today we're going to delve into the captivating tales of renowned personalities who've made their mark in diverse fields. They've overcome obstacles, shattered norms, and touched the zenith of achievement. From the genius of science to the creativity of art, the endurance of sports to the innovation in business, we've got it all covered. So buckle up as we embark on this journey of inspiration and motivation. Our first destination takes us to the realm of science, to the story of the renowned physicist Albert Einstein. A man whose name is synonymous with genius, Einstein was not always regarded as such. In fact, during his early education, he was often considered a slow learner, particularly struggling with the rigid and rote learning methods of his time. Born in the late 19th century in Germany, Einstein's unconventional thinking was evident from a young age. He was frequently at odds with the academic system, preferring to learn at his own pace and in his own way. This often led to conflicts with his teachers and eventually his departure from traditional schooling. Yet it was this very rebelliousness that would later become the hallmark of his brilliance. Einstein's refusal to simply accept established theories and ideas led him to question and ultimately revolutionize our understanding of the physical world. One of his most significant contributions to science was the development of the theory of relativity. This theory, which includes the famous equation E=mc², reshaped our understanding of time, space, and gravity. Einstein's theory proposed that these elements were not absolute, but relative to the observer. This was a groundbreaking concept that fundamentally changed the way we perceive the universe. Einstein's achievements did not come easily. His theories were initially met with skepticism and even hostility from the scientific community. Nevertheless, he remained dedicated to his ideas, and over time his theories were proven correct, earning him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Einstein's story is one of perseverance, courage, and unorthodox thinking. He was a man who dared to question the established norms, to look beyond the obvious and seek answers in the unknown. His life serves as a testament to the power of curiosity and the importance of challenging conventional wisdom. Einstein's story teaches us that genius often comes from questioning and challenging the norm. His life is a reminder that success is not always about adhering to established paths, but often about daring to forge your own. Now, let's traverse to the vibrant world of art with the indomitable Frida Kahlo. A name synonymous with resilience and artistic brilliance, Frida Kahlo's journey is a saga of triumph over adversity. Born in the early 20th century in Mexico, her life was far from ordinary, marked by physical and emotional challenges that would shape her art and legacy. At the tender age of 6, Kahlo was diagnosed with polio, a disease that left her right leg thinner and weaker than her left. Despite this early setback, she was a spirited child, engaging in sports and activities to strengthen her affected limb. However, the real trial came when she was only 18. A horrific bus accident left her with severe injuries, including a broken spinal column. Bedridden and in immense pain, she found solace in one thing: painting. During the long recovery period, Kahlo began to explore art as a form of expression and escape. With a special easel made for her bed and a mirror above it, she started painting self-portraits. These works were not mere depictions of her physical appearance, but emotive narratives of her pain, loneliness, and resilience. Frida once said, "I paint myself because I am so often alone and because I am the subject I know best." Despite multiple surgeries and constant pain, Kahlo continued to paint, producing around 200 artworks in her lifetime. Her works, often characterized by vibrant colors and raw emotion, resonated with people globally and made her one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. Kahlo's life was punctuated with hardships, but she never let them dictate her narrative. Instead, she channeled her pain into her art, creating a body of work that continues to inspire millions. Her journey teaches us the power of resilience, the importance of self-expression, and the ability to find beauty amidst chaos. Kahlo's life is a testament to the power of resilience and self-expression. Her story is a powerful reminder that our greatest strengths often come from our deepest struggles. From brushes to rackets, our journey takes us to the tennis court with Serena Williams. Born in the rough streets of Compton, California, Serena and her sister Venus were introduced to tennis at a very young age by their father. His vision was clear. His daughters were going to become world champions. Little did he know that Serena would redefine what it means to be a successful female athlete. Serena's career took off when she won her first Grand Slam at the US Open in 1999. She was just 17, This victory marked the beginning of her reign in women's tennis. She was not just winning, she was dominating, displaying an unparalleled level of athleticism, power, and determination. But Serena's journey wasn't all about triumphant wins. She faced numerous obstacles, including a life-threatening health crisis after giving birth to her daughter in 2017. Many thought this would be the end of her career, but Serena is no stranger to adversity. Instead of bowing out, she fought back, returning to the court with more vigor and passion than ever before. Her comeback was nothing short of remarkable. She reached the finals of 4 Grand Slam tournaments and continued to shatter records, proving that a woman can be both a mother and a top-tier athlete. Serena Williams is not just a tennis player. She is a trailblazer, a fighter, a symbol of strength and perseverance. She has used her platform to advocate for women's rights and racial equality, showing that success isn't just about what you achieve on the court, but also how you use your influence to make a difference in the world. Her story is a testament to the power of believing in oneself and never giving up, no matter how insurmountable the challenges may seem. Whether it's on the tennis court or in the game of life, Serena teaches us that with hard work, determination, and a little bit of grit, there's no obstacle we can't overcome. Williams' story inspires us to never give up, no matter the challenges we face. Finally, we step into the world of business, exploring the innovative mind of Elon Musk. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with relentless innovation and audacious ambition, has charted a path that's as unconventional as it is inspiring. Musk's journey began in the realm of the internet, where he co-founded Zip2, a city guide software company. The success of Zip2 led to its acquisition, and Musk, fueled by his entrepreneurial spirit, did not stop there. He moved on to co-found X.com, an online payment company. This venture would eventually evolve into what we know today as PayPal. PayPal's success was monumental, not just in the realm of e-commerce, but also in shaping Musk's future endeavors. The sale of PayPal provided Musk with the capital to launch his most audacious projects yet. Enter Tesla and SpaceX. With Tesla, Musk had a vision to revolutionize the automobile industry by introducing sustainable energy solutions. His dream? To make electric vehicles not just an alternative, but the standard. Today, Tesla stands as a testament to Musk's unwavering commitment to his vision, with its electric cars becoming increasingly popular around the globe. But Musk didn't stop at transforming terrestrial travel. He set his sights even higher: space. With SpaceX, Musk's goal is nothing less than making human life multiplanetary. It might seem like a lofty ambition, but SpaceX has already made significant strides, launching and landing reusable rockets, and even ferrying astronauts to the International Space Station. Musk's journey is a testament to the power of innovation, determination, and daring to dream big. His ventures, from PayPal to Tesla and SpaceX, have not only disrupted industries but also set new standards. His story is a powerful reminder that the status quo can and should be challenged, that boundaries are meant to be pushed, and that the future is ours to shape. Musk's journey reminds us that with innovation and determination, we can create a better future. From the realms of science, art, sports, and business, we've traversed diverse paths to success. Each journey, unique in its own right, carries with it lessons that hold true across times and disciplines. Albert Einstein, the genius mind behind the theory of relativity, showed us that conventional wisdom can be challenged and that curiosity is the driving force behind innovation. His journey taught us the value of perseverance and the importance of questioning the status quo. Frida Kahlo, through her artistic journey, beautifully illustrated that art is a reflection of life, and that it's okay to be different. Her story serves as a reminder that resilience is key in the face of adversity, and that our experiences shape our creativity. Serena Williams, with her athletic triumph, demonstrated that success is not an overnight phenomenon. It's about consistent efforts, determination, and an unwavering will to win. She taught us that no matter how many times you fall, it's always possible to rise again and reach new heights. Elon Musk, with his business acumen, emphasized the power of innovation and risk-taking. His journey showed us that one should not be afraid of failure, but rather see it as a stepping stone toward success. Each of these stories, though different in their context, converge on the same principles of perseverance, innovation, resilience, and determination. Remember, success isn't just about reaching the top, it's about the journey, the challenges overcome, and the lessons learned along the way.